I'm starting a video, an MP4 file from a drone, and it's showing these camera related settings. Let's see how to hide these. I'm playing this video with KMplayer. So inside KMplayer you can hide these subtitles, those camera related informations, by right clicking on the video, going to subtitles, and it has this show hide subtitle, and Alt+X is the hotkey for that inside KMplayer. So Alt+X is showing the subtitles, Alt+X is hiding the subtitles. Let's close this video and open it with another program. So open with, and this time let's try GOMplayer. Inside GOMplayer the subtitles are also shown. So the same thing, right click the video, go to subtitles, and this one has it here. Alt+H is the hotkey, not Alt+X. So Alt+H and the subtitles are gone. Alt+H to show it in GOMplayer, Alt+H to hide it in GOMplayer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.